morning, even though it's 10 a.m. Just stopped at Lake Stream Fly Shop. I think I'm gonna go fly fishing today. I gotta buy my license. Dude gave me some flies. He said that worked good in this time of year. Don't know where I'm gonna go, but we'll figure that out after I buy my license. My license, 5-day license, was $73 or something, which is kind of ridiculous, but that's alright. Let's go find a place to learn. There's the lake we'll try and fish in. I have no idea if you can even fish here, if it's worth it. My buddies. My things and hang. And these motherfuckers. Is rigged up. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yup, that was coming. Try over here. I think I got the casting down. I'm gonna make some lunch and then try and find a stream or a creek to actually try and find some fishing and catch them. And Carver's from Michigan. He stopped by and interviewed me. Gave me hard-boiled eggs, cuties, bananas, and some watermelon. Good spot, 36 minutes away. Little, what is it, Swan River? Let's get her going. I'm excited for this. Hopefully this spot's good. Or at least works. There's gotta be fish here, right? Looks like something I just gotta go sit in. These rocks are extremely slick. Shooting. Stop for some supper. It's just about 5 o'clock. Go back down there and go upstream instead of downstream this time, see if there's anything different. This is quite weird to find. Getting shot at or what? See that? Just after 7, I'm done. 0 bites. Didn't see anything. Thought I seen 2 jump, but rip that damn hog. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go find a place to snooze. Might be here. We'll see. Today wasn't much, but it was fun. This was cool. Cool experience. Make life how you want